Let's clear something up right away. Men do not feel protective because a woman is helpless. That's a movie trope. Disney lied to you. In real life, the women men feel most protective over are often strong, intelligent, capable, and somehow still make a man feel like stepping forward instead of stepping back. And here's the part no one tells women. A man's protective instinct is not triggered by your looks, not by your independence, and definitely not by chasing him with "where is this going?" conversations. It's triggered by language. 5 simple words, used naturally, can flip a switch in a man's psychology and make him feel emotionally responsible for you. Not trapped, not pressured, protective. And today I'm going to explain why. Why men feel protective. Men bond differently than women. Women bond through emotional sharing. Men bond through responsibility. This is why a man can be attracted to you, sleep with you, text you every day, and still not feel emotionally invested. Protection begins when a man feels emotionally relevant in your life. Not needed in a desperate way, but trusted in a quiet, grounded way. When that happens, his brain shifts from "she's interesting" to "I should look out for her." That shift is everything. And the fastest way to activate it is with words. The mistake most women make. Here's where things usually go wrong. Most women try to trigger protection by doing one of 2 things. They either become too strong emotionally, "I don't need anyone, I've got this," or they become too emotional. "I just don't feel secure, where do I stand with you?" Both kill attraction in different ways. The first makes a man feel unnecessary. The second makes him feel managed. Protection lives in the middle. Calm vulnerability, soft trust, zero pressure. And that's exactly what the first word does. Word number 1, trust. The first word is trust. And no, this is not about saying it dramatically like you're in a movie scene with background music and tears in your eyes. Men don't respond to emotional performances. They respond to quiet confidence. When a woman calmly communicates trust, something subtle but powerful happens inside a man's psychology. Trust signals emotional permission. It tells his brain, "I don't need to control this. I don't need to defend myself here. I can step forward." And here's the part most women misunderstand. Trust doesn't make a man feel burdened. It makes him feel chosen. When you say something like, "I trust your judgment," or "I trust you on this," you are handing him responsibility without pressure. His posture changes mentally, his attention sharpens. He becomes more aware of how his actions affect you. Not because you asked him to protect you, but because trust quietly invited him to. And once a man feels trusted, protection becomes instinctive. Word number 2, safe. The second word is one men rarely admit matters, but it absolutely does. Safe. When a woman says she feels safe with a man, his brain doesn't interpret that as romance or flirtation. It interprets it as bonding. Safety is not about physical protection alone. It's emotional grounding. When you say, "I feel safe around you," what he hears is, "I can lower my guard with you. You're not chaos. You're stability." And men protect stability. Here's why this word is so powerful. Most men spend their lives being strong, composed, and in control. Very few places make them feel calm. So when you associate safety with him, he begins associating responsibility with you. But timing matters. This word works best in quiet moments, after laughter, during a calm drive, in stillness. Used correctly, safe doesn't make him feel needed. It makes him feel emotionally significant, and that's when protection switches on. Word number 3, comfort. The third word is subtle, but psychologically dangerous in the best way. Comfort. Now here's why this word hits so deeply. Comfort is not boredom. Comfort is not settling. Comfort is emotional exhale. When a woman says, "You make me feel comfortable," a man's brain translates that as, "I don't have to perform here. I don't have to impress. I can be myself." And men protect the places where they can finally relax. Most men live in constant evaluation mode. At work, with friends, in dating, they're always proving something. So when you become the space where he doesn't have to, something shifts. This word creates emotional exclusivity without control. You're not asking for commitment. You're becoming the environment his nervous system prefers. And once a man associates you with comfort, he doesn't just enjoy your presence, he starts guarding it. Because losing comfort feels worse than losing excitement. That's when protection quietly locks in. Word number 4, guidance. This one catches most women off guard. The fourth word is guidance. And before your independence alarms go off, relax. Asking for guidance does not mean handing over control of your life or pretending you're lost without him. Here's what it actually does. When a woman calmly asks for guidance, a man's brain hears respect plus trust, not dependence. Most men don't want to be needed. They want to be valued. Guidance signals, I respect how you think. I trust your perspective. I see you as emotionally steady. That combination flips a deep switch. His focus sharpens. He leans in mentally. He becomes more present without being asked. And here's the key detail most people miss. Men feel protective over things they've helped shape. So when you invite his guidance on decisions, timing, or perspective, he subconsciously invests. Not because you asked for help, but because you gave him meaning. And meaning is where protection takes root. Word number 5, us. This is the most powerful word on the entire list, and also the most dangerous if misused. The fifth word is us. When spoken naturally, this word does something no emotional speech ever could. It quietly moves a man from individual mode into shared future mode. But here's the key distinction most people miss. Us is not about labels. It's not about commitment talks. And it's definitely not about pressure. Us is psychological alignment. When a woman casually says, I like how we handle things, or let's figure out what works best for us, a man's brain hears, I belong here, I'm included. This is stable. That sense of inclusion creates emotional responsibility without obligation. And here's why it's so powerful. Men protect what they identify with. Once he starts seeing you as part of us, protecting you no longer feels like effort. It feels like self-preservation. That's when protection stops being a reaction and becomes instinct. How to use these words without ruining them. Now this part is important, because used incorrectly, these words lose power fast. Here are the rules. Rule number 1, never stack them together. Using multiple emotional triggers at once feels rehearsed. Rule number 2, never use them during conflict. Protection turns off when a man feels emotionally cornered. Rule number 3, never use them to test him. Men sense emotional traps instantly, even if they can't explain why. These words work best when you're calm, grounded, and present. They're not tools to get something, they're signals of emotional safety, and safety is what makes men stay. Here's the truth. Most dating advice won't tell you. Men don't protect women because they're fragile. They protect women because they're emotionally meaningful. When a man feels trusted, when he feels safe, when he feels grounding, guidance, and us, he doesn't pull away. He leans in, not because you asked him to, but because his psychology told him this matters. And that's when protection becomes instinct, not effort. If this video changed how you see male attraction, let me know in the comments. This is Brainy Facts. Thanks for watching.